Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over Spanish terms, but this time I'm going over opposites. If you recall, I said maybe a month or so ago, this is how I learn: left, right, up, down. And some of these you're going to use on a daily basis. So I'm going to go over 19 right now. Let's jump into it. Okay, so let's get it started. 3 and 2 and 1. And let's go. Okay, first I want to start off with two tiny words that you use all day long. Don't pay any attention to it. And that is and or. And I want you to know these up front because with all these opposites, it's either this and that or this or that. So for and, it is E, the letter Y. Simple as that. And is E, pronounced E, the letter Y. And or is O, the letter O. So or is the letter O. O. E, E, O. Okay, so let's get started with it. I'm going to start with up and down. That would be arriba, up, abajo, which is down. Arriba, up, abajo, down. So up and down would be arriba y abajo. Arriba y abajo. Hope this makes sense. I'm not going to do the and the or, but I wanted you to know that up front. Okay, left and right. Izquierda is left. Izquierda. And derecha is right. Derecha. Right. Okay, how about forward and backwards? Forward is adelante. Forward is adelante. Backward is atrás. Backward is atrás. Okay, how about enter or exit? Enter is entrar. Enter is entrar. Exit is salir. Exit is salir. How about inside and outside? Inside is dentro. Inside is dentro. Outside is fuera. Outside is fuera. Big and small. Big, and you should know these two, or at least big, grande. Big is grande. Small is pequeño. Small is pequeño. Okay, how about tall and short? Tall is alto. Tall is alto. Short is bajo. Short is bajo. Okay, how about fast and slow? Fast is rápido. Fast is rápido. You have to learn how to roll your R's too. Slow is lento. Slow is lento. Okay, next up, new and old. You should know this. New is nuevo. New York, how about that? New is nuevo. Old is viejo. Old is viejo. Okay, next up, young and old. Young is joven. Young is joven. Old is viejo. Old is viejo. Same as above. Okay, how about clean or dirty? You need to know these. Your Airbnb is not clean. You need to know these. Clean is limpiar. Clean is limpiar. Dirty is sucio. Dirty is sucio. Okay, next up, near and far. Near is cerca. Near is cerca. Far is lejos. Far is lejos. Okay. How about turn on or turn off? Turn on is encender. Encender. Turn off, apagar. Apagar. This one is actually new to me. Okay, day and night. Day is dia. Everybody should know this one. Day is dia. Night is noche. You should know that too. Buenos noches. Night is noche. Okay, how about hot or cold? All my restaurant people, hot and cold. Hot is caliente. Hot is caliente. Cold is frío. Cold is frío. You want a cold beer. Frío cerveza. Okay, how about hard and soft? Hard is duro. Hard is duro. Como, almost like durable. Soft is blando. Soft is blando. Okay, and lastly, but not final, yes and no. Yes is sí. No is no. No. Remember the O is a long O. O. Sí o no. Okay, so I hope this information helps you. You should be using some of these on a daily basis. New, old, enter, out, left, right, up, down. You should be using these. So go back and refer to this video. Again, travel, but travel safe. Headed to Medellin, Colombia? See my guy Andres with Nomad Travel for safe airport pickups and drop-offs and tours. Contact information in the description below. If you're in Medellin and you need dental work done, from a basic cleaning to major reconstructive surgery, come see my guy, Dr. Carlos Maury. Contact information in the description below. Join me on social media. I am DC Born Rob Official on Instagram. I am DC Born Rob Official 1 on TikTok. I am DC Born Rob O on Twitter. Don't be like this guy right here.
You're just so stupid. I had to send you a video to let you know that you're so stupid.
That's right. Don't be like this guy right here. Join me on social media.